Hey, your mama on the beat.
Let's go. Brand new Lamborghini, a cop car. With a pistol on my hip like I'm a cop. Have you ever met a real rock star? This ain't no guitar, it's just a clock.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is the Great Tete. If it's your first time here, welcome. Oh god, it feel like I haven't posted in a very long time. I have not been on YouTube in about 2 months. Feel like a long time, but I'm back, guys. I'm back. I was working on a few things and I will get into all that in another video. Okay, so for today's video is actually sponsored by Janet's Collection. So we are gonna talk about this here. All right, they sent me this here for review and I'm like, yes, I'm after this. So the name of the hair, it's Gypsy Butterfly Locks. Color, it's 1B30. So at the end, it's kind of like an ombre. So the number 30 is more towards the end of the hair, which I love. And the roots are more like a natural brown. And this hair, you guys, it's 24 inches, okay? It's 24 inches, so it stopped like something like that. You know, a little bit below my boob. I'm 5'3", if that information helps. I'm just gonna talk about how I installed the hair. So I started off by cornrowing my hair, my natural hair at the back, cornrow it to the back, and then at the front I did like some single braids. So and then I looped it to the next braid, linked it to the next braid, and just kind of like put it back. As you can see what's going on here, okay? And the reason why I did it that way is just so that we can have the illusion as if it is box braid, as if it's done single, you know. But me, I ain't got the time to do it single, so that's the reason why I did it that way. I know you have a lot of YouTubers, they actually do the lock individually. Me can't do that, take too much time. Me can't do that, so me just choose to do it this way. So if you are like me and you like to save time and all that stuff, you can do it this way. So I didn't show you how I crochet my entire head because it's pretty repetitive, okay? With this crochet lock, so I found that it comes pre-looped, which I love. However, I found that the loops were really small, so I had to use my finger to kind of open the loop so that it's, whenever I loop the lock in the loop, if that makes sense, it will fit. So I'm just gonna use my crochet needle, push it through the braid, then I am going to pull it through, and then I will use the lock and put it through the loop. That's the loop what I'm talking about. A few of them, like most of them, were really small, so I had to actually open it up. Not sure why they made it that way, but that's, you know, I found that that was pretty time consuming. However, the hair is gorgeous, so it was definitely worth it. I love the length. Like this here, it just gave me vacation vibes. Just made me feel like I'm on the beach. Did use 6 packs. That's another question that I always get, and I always seem to miss that. So I used 6-pack, and each pack came with 10 locks. I actually counted it. So each came with 10 locks. I used 6-pack, but I find that I could have used one more, you know, because me like when my ear really full and I had a few spacing around the back here. So I find that 7 packs would have been perfect. However, 6-pack, they sent me 6-pack, so I just make it work, and it looks fine. Like, I like it. It can work with, you know. Another thing to note, you guys, that the hair, it's not super heavy, like, you know, but at the same point in time, it's not super light. It does have a little weight to it, but not a lot of weight to the point where you feel like your neck go broke. No, like, it does have weight to it. I've worn crochet locks before that was actually longer than this one that I'm wearing, and it was actually lighter. I think it was from Janet Collection as well. I don't remember, but I have worn longer crochets that was lighter than this one that I'm wearing. However, I'm guessing it's the way it is because they did use a lot of hair to wrap around for kind of like give it this effect, you know. But it's fine, it's totally fine. Like, as I said, it's not really heavy, like nothing crazy. And next thing, what I love about it is that I love the messy look, you know. I love this. You see the way they have, I guess that's why they call it butterfly, because it, I don't know if this is supposed to be the wings them or what, but anyways, it has this messy look, and I love that. I find that when you're wearing crochet, when it starts to have that stale look, it just look better that way, you know. And then you just, you know, do your baby ear and all that stuff. I find that it just look better that way there. So for them to make the hair like this, that's a plus for me. Another thing to note is that it not only comes in this color, but it does come in other colors. So they have it in also number 1, they have number 1B, them have number 2, number 4, them have burgundy, all different kind of colors. So if you want, you can check them out on their website, janetcollection.com. And also you should be able to grab their hair in your local beauty supply store, and that's what I love about this brand. It's so easily accessible that, you know, most beauty supply store you should be able to grab Janet Collection here. So if you definitely love this here, let me know what you think of it. Actually, that's really it for this review, you guys. Let me know if I missed anything. If there's anything that you may want to know that I did not mention, let me know in the comment section below. I am more than happy to answer any questions that you guys have, or you can ask me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle, it is at @dgreytay. I'll leave it in the description bar. Also, you can follow my business page where, you know, I make my wigs and all of that stuff. If you want to learn how to make wigs using the sewing machine, that's the place to go. _dash_27, or on my website dash27.com. And if you want one bag of excitement and laughter and all them something, you go over to my TikTok, okay? It's lit over there, buzzy. So at The Great Taste, I'll leave all that in the description bar below, okay? So now I'm back in business. I'm here on YouTube. I will be posting every week. That's it. That's all for now. Stay blessed, keep motivated. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.